Pi. So this is similar to Spotify Wrapped, but you can just generate it whenever you want. You don't need to enter the end of the year, and then you can just generate. Okay, there are a lot of ads here, but yeah, you can just generate some like breaking news mix, or you can generate some, billboards or some of these posters, something like that, just based on the artists you like. The one thing you need to do is just log in with your Spotify account, and then you will just be able to generate this kind of cool graphic and just share it on Instagram or something. So just search for Spotify Pi on Google, and that's the first result because it's just available as on a GitHub page. And then yeah, you can just log into Spotify and generate your genre.